The Samsung Galaxy S21 is going to arrive with some changes which we have never seen before, and there is even more good news which we have received for you guys. But before that, hi, how are you? And if this is your first time here, hitting that subscribe button would mean the world to me. So to start with the changes S21 brings, we all know that the Galaxy S21 sports S Pen. That is not news anymore, but the big talking point is the pen itself. In the Galaxy Note 20, Note 10 or past Galaxy Note smartphones, the pen had a rectangular shape which, speaking from experience, is not very much comfortable for long writing sessions or for drawings. You do get used to it after time and it is doable, but it's definitely not my first choice. However, on the Galaxy S21, the pen we have is circular, so it is even more like a real pencil and it would feel so much better in the hand. And the reason could be that because with the Galaxy S21, Samsung isn't making space for the pen inside of the smartphone, so now they can make the pen a bit more rounded and a bit more thick, because unlike the S21 on the Note, they have to make the pen thinner and rectangular in order to make it fit inside of the smartphone. We still do have the button on the pen itself, and then we have the clicky top part, and the pen comes with all the Bluetooth features found on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's S Pen. So other than the fact that it doesn't fit inside of the smartphone, this is a full-fledged S Pen with 9 milliseconds of latency. And I really hope that Samsung will fit a circular S Pen inside the Galaxy Note 21, which we have just confirmed that the Galaxy Note 21 is indeed happening. You can watch that video from over here. And hey, if the pen is cheap, I might still buy it even though I do have a pen already. Also, another good news we have for the Galaxy S20 series is that it will have 256GB of internal storage as the base model on all three devices. Earlier it was rumored that just like the past Galaxy S phones, the S21 will only come with 128GB, but seems like we are getting 256GB as the minimum, and the Ultra gets 12GB of RAM on the base model, while the S21 and the 21 Plus will start from 8GB of minimum RAM. So this is definitely a big jump up from the Galaxy S20 series. We have also received more Galaxy S21 5G official press renders from Evan-Blass, so this is 100% the accurate device. The bezels on the side do look a bit bigger than the S20 series, but that is because for the fact that this has now a almost flat display, and that makes the bezel on all the sides about the same size, but I do think that the bottom bezel is just a hair thicker than the side bezels, but it's not noticeable at all. The thing which concerns me a little bit is that it looks so much like the Galaxy S20 FE, which I don't know if fans will love it or hate it, because the FE is a cheap phone and the S21 and the S21 Pluses are expensive, so I don't know how fans will react to that. Let me know guys your thoughts about the new design of the pen of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. I like it a lot. Do subscribe to the channel for getting more tech updates, hit the like button if you guys enjoyed, and you can also say hi to me on Twitter. And with that, thanks a lot for watching.